Our industry has changed the skyline of this city, and the people who are being honored have all been a significant part of what makes this city great.
To be named a recipient of the Bernie Mendick Award means so much.
It is truly extraordinary, a lifetime event.
This award celebrates risk takers, and I think we've all taken a lot of risk.
Investment, caring about people. Everybody up here cares about our city.
So totally honored, something that I never expected.
REBNY is committed to the city as few other organizations are.
It's given me visibility, it's given me knowledge. I will cherish this honor.
I'd like to congratulate all the award winners, and we look forward to seeing everybody at the Hilton on January 16th.